Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about variables. Now the dictionary definition for a variable is a placeholder for varying expressions or quantities. The definition that I like to use is a changeable value referenced by a name. So a variable is kind of like a bucket, and this bucket has a name. So in our example, the bucket is called age. Now you can put things in this bucket. So maybe we want to put a value of 15 into this bucket for age. Now the age is going to equal 15, so the value of the variable is 15. Now we can also change this value. So maybe we want to change age to 30. We can insert a value of 30 into the bucket. What this does is it gets rid of the old value of 15 and it replaces it with the new value of 30. Now we can see how to do this in Python using repl. Now the first thing you need to know about Python is that it executes everything line by line, and we'll see exactly what that means as we do this. So the first thing to do to create a variable is to state its name. So in our example, the variable is called age. Next thing you want to do is set it equal to a value. So we'll say age equals, and then we said 15. If we run this, it doesn't actually print anything out, but it has actually created a variable and set it equal to 15. If you want to actually see it print out the value of age, we could say print, parentheses, and inside of that say age. If we run this, it gives us the value 15. Now in our example, we change the value of age. So we'll do that here too. So we can say age equals 30. We're giving it a new value. And then if we say print age after that, and we run it, it gives us the value of 30. Now, what do you think will happen if we take this print statement and put it in between these lines? If you guessed that it would print out 15, you'd be right. Now, the reason this happens, as I said before, is that Python runs line by line. So what this means is it's kind of like a story. The first thing that Python does is it makes a variable called age, and it sets it to the value 15. Then it prints out whatever that variable is at that moment. And at this moment, it's actually 15. Then after it prints it out, it's going to set it to 30. So we won't actually see it print out 30 because it sets it to that after we print it out. So if we make another print statement after we set it to 30 with age, then if we run it, we should see that it prints 15 and then it prints 30. So what exactly is happening here? We're making a variable called age. We're setting it to 15. Then we're printing out whatever age is at that moment, which is 15. As you can see, it prints out right here. Then we're changing the value for age to 30, and then we're printing out the new value for age, which is 30, and it prints right here. So there's a lot more stuff to variables, but we'll go in more in depth in later videos. For now, that's it.